Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the gaming test on the Realme X7 Pro device by playing this game Genshin Impact. So this is the most requested video in my channel on this Realme X7 Pro. So right now in this video, I'll be trying to use the high settings and medium settings, and I'll try to play the game, and let's see what is the maximum FPS you can actually play the game using this kind of Realme X7 Pro as well. The Realme X7 Pro has the Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So definitely you should know, if you're buying this kind of mobile phone, is it worth of buying the phone in this kind of Genshin Impact, whether it is supported with a 60 FPS or not. And the phone has a 120 FPS support test. And let's see friends, in this video we'll be seeing the Genshin Impact FPS meter test. And before starting the video, let me also quickly show you the size of this game as well. As you can see, the size is about 8 GB, so 8.52 GB, as you can clearly see. So definitely this is a big performance GPU and CPU consuming game as well, so which requires which also takes a lot of power. So what I'll try to do, if you want me to do the battery draining test while playing this game in this device, I'll try to do that video as well, in case if you're interested to know how is the battery backup. So do let me know in the comments below. As you can see, the variant which I'm using is 8 GB RAM variant and 1000 plus processor. And for more videos on this Realme X7 Pro, don't forget to check the links in description. So there is always a playlist available for the Realme X7 Pro, where you can find so many videos which are already uploaded on this device. And in case if you like that TikTok live wallpaper, there is also playlist available for the wallpapers as well, so which will be also helpful for you in case if you're looking to download any kind of live wallpaper. So let me start this kind of game right now, as you can see here. So let me quickly show you the FPS count, how much I'm getting real-time FPS count meter on the top. You can see here friends. So I'll try to use the first with the high settings and 60 FPS, and then I'll try to change to the medium settings and with 60 FPS. So let's see what FPS you will be able to play at higher FPS meter with what settings. And if you are having any kind of game in your mind to test on this mobile phone, try to comment below of this video. So you can ask me what game you want me to test on this Realme X7 Pro, and I'll try to test that game. So right now you can see the FPS meter is about 59 FPS meter. So right now I'll quickly show you the graphics settings what I'm using currently, so you can see the FPS count meter, how much it is, the graphics. And as you can see friends, the resolution I have selected to the high resolution, and everything is high, visual effects and everything. As you can see, overall settings also highest, everything is maximum. So I'm trying to see how much the maximum FPS you can get if you're using the extreme settings. So all of these settings are used to the maximum, and even the message, there is a message saying that it is overclocked, as you can see here. So that means maximum I'm trying to utilize most of the CPU and GPU. And let me quickly focus on this FPS meter, and where you can concentrate on the GPU and CPU performance and how much utilization is going on. So if you clearly observe, as you can see, the GPU is trying to use maximum of the 100%, as you can see 98% and 99. So definitely friends, these are very intense gaming. So I'll try to if you are interested, I'll try to do the battery draining test as well. Free Fire test and the Genshin Impact, these two games are in my list of doing the battery draining test on this phone. So right now you're getting the FPS count about 48 FPS count at the moment. As you can see, even 37 FPS, 50 FPS. So the close to 60 FPS it's not reachable at the moment. So the maximum I did see about 53 kind of FPS only, 53, 52, as you can see right now. So you cannot see the more than that. So these were the maximum settings. So maximum. So I played the game only for about, I think 5 minutes, and the phone started to heat very much. As you can see, 5 to 10 minutes only, but it started to heat close to 40 degrees, 44 degrees, as you can see friends. So definitely I think I'll definitely plan to do the battery draining and temperature stress test as well using this kind of maximum settings. But overall the gameplay is kind of smooth, but I did see here and there lag little bit. Frame drops is going on here and there. So occasionally when I'm trying to move my head around, as you can see right now, if you did focus slightly, I did see a slight um, drop in terms of the frames. So right now you can see your friends. So GPU is trying to use much at the moment. So I'll try to play the game for some time, and then I'll try to check the temperature reading. So let's see whether after playing the game for some times, how will the temperature will behave in this phone. So don't forget to comment below, friends, what are the other games you want me to test on this Realme X7 Pro. So which I am very much interested to try different games. So before this phone get launched in India, you need to know what games are playing at what kind of FPS in this Realme X7 Pro. The reason is that the phone is kind of a very new processor. So Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So it's kind of doubt for most of the users whether the phone is actually supported with a high heavy gamings or not. As I said, there are a few drops right now when I'm trying to move around. I did notice slight amount of drops, but one thing is that, friends, I can definitely feel the heat of the phone is going on more um, when I'm playing the game. So I'll try to do the battery rating if you are interested, but overall when I'm fighting it's very good. There's no frame drop at all when I'm fighting, but only sometimes you will see the drop in the frames. So right now you can see 53, 54 FPS. And having a stereo speaker setup is also pretty good in this mobile phone. So that is also another added advantage in this phone. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, for more in case if you are interested in this phone to buy. I'll be trying to make so many videos on this phone again and again using the different settings, test the phone performance and battery and a lot of other things. As I said, the dual loudspeaker is pretty good in this phone. I don't think there is any 4D vibration option for this kind of game. So the game is not supported, but definitely there should be some kind of 4D vibrations. So after a few minutes of gaming, let me try to show you the temperature increased to 46 degrees. As you can see, 46. On the back side, 43, 42, 44. As you can see, friends. So right now I'm using only the 80%, maybe 70% of the brightness, not 100%. And now let me try to change the settings. So let me try to select the graphic settings to the medium. So selected the graphic settings to medium, and let me try to see what FPS I'm getting right now when I'm trying to play at the medium settings. So till now there is no frame drop at all right now when I'm trying to move around. So let me see the FPS count, how much it is right now. 46 FPS, as you can see here. 42, 45. And as you can see, the FPS is also 60. So right now let me try to select the medium settings. As you can see, medium settings are selected and it says smooth. Let me try to select the high. High, it says overclocked. So the medium settings is, this is the option. And as you can see, 60 fps. So it's, you can only use one option I think at same time. So let me try to use the medium settings. But if you use the medium settings, the fps count will decrease to 60 fps, sorry, 30 fps only. So overall friends, definitely the gaming is very good in this phone, so there is no issues at all in terms of the gaming. But only thing is that 60 fps, you need to find the proper settings to achieve that kind of 60 fps at the moment. So all the graphic rendering and everything is very smooth right now in while playing. And thank you for watching this video friends. For more videos, make sure to follow me regularly and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.